We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony, the summer air. See the lights, see the party, the bargains. See you naked when you through the guards and stay alone. Little did I know that you were the you were sorry in Paris. And my daddy said, stay away from Wario. I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Manu, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting for you to do as well. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we dead if you knew, so close your eyes. See this town for a little while. If you knew what the scarlet there next to my daddy said, stay away from Wario. They were everything I need. I was begging you, please don't go. And I say, Manu, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting for you back to do as well. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Manu, take me. Try to tell me how it feels. This love is difficult, but it's a real. Don't be afraid, let's make it out of business. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, 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 oh. I get tired of waiting, wondering if you would ever come around. Famous as fading. When you met, you only asked her to tell. I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for this time to never come with this in my head. I don't know what to thinking. Else to the ground and put out a wings. Marry me for you. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, girl, pink out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh, oh.